Hey, what's up folks? Today we'll be doing a fun design, making paper garlands for Halloween with Posca markers. You'll need paper, a pencil, a ruler, tape, and Posca markers. First, what we want to do is unpackage our Posca markers, take the cap off, and depress the nib that I'll point to, making sure that the paint is flowing through the marker. Press it up and down until you see the color, and then you draw a line out. We can do this for each of our markers to ensure that we'll get clean, bright colored lines. Next, we want to cut our paper strips for the paper garland designs. Make 4-inch marks, draw a line across, and use that line to cut a straight line across the paper strip. Do this for each paper color that we have. Next, you can line up the paper end to end and tape them together to form a larger piece of paper. Finally, we'll fold them back and forth in even amounts, making sure that each folded edge lines up with the previous edge. We'll do this across our entire strip. Now we'll draw our design on the paper. I'm going to draw half of a skeleton with crossbones. I'll do this so that when I cut it out, each paper edge lines up with the next one, creating a long unbroken chain, which you'll see when I unfold the design in a moment. Here you can see that the skeleton was successful. I was able to create a chain using the crossbones. Now here comes the fun part. Using the Posca markers to create goofy, funny designs on each skeleton, bringing some lightheartedness to this dark holiday. I'm going to use the silver fine tip Posca marker to draw the mouth and then lay in some of the eye details. I'll add embellishments to each face, making them unique and memorable. It's important to have fun and be creative when creating a design like this. It's more important to try different things than to have each face be perfect.